Over the last 10 years, Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram have dominated the social space, especially when it comes to sharing photos. 10 years on, photo sharing is all about perfection, editing your snaps until there's no defects and making sure the lighting is on point. But now there's a new app that encourages its users to be real. BeReal is the current photo sharing app on the rise that encourages users to share what they're doing at a random point in the day with their friends. Life unedited. Some are describing it as a combination of Instagram stories and Snapchat, with the app's mission to discover who your friends really are in their daily life. But how has it risen to a $600 million valuation? Here's how it happened. First of all, what is BeReal and how does BeReal work? Well, BeReal users receive a notification at a random point in the day where they have 2 minutes to take a photo of what they're currently doing. The app uses both the front and the back camera showing what you're doing as well as your mugshot to go with it. The idea is to capture the realities of everyday life rather than creating the perfect Instagram snap, which you then send to your friends. You can retake the photo if you want, but your friends will be able to see how many times you tried. Speaking of friends, they can react to your photos and you can make a memory file of all the BeReals you uploaded. Similar to 1 second every day, BeReal gives a snapshot into people's lives as they are, showing the reality of the everyday. But unlike 1 second every day, with BeReal you're interacting with your friends at the same time, so it feels more inclusive and less like a burden. The background to BeReal is that it was founded in 2020 by a Frenchman, Alexis Barrière. Barrière came out of nowhere, spending 2013 to 2016 at the 42 coding school founded by Xavier Niel, the French billionaire. Barrière then worked as a video producer at GoPro and as a freelance iOS developer. He began creating BeReal in January 2020, but struggled to impress investors. That was until Xavier Niel's son started using the app, which led to seed investment from Niel's investment companies New Wave and Kima Ventures at around a €10 million valuation. Shortly after, Andreessen Horowitz and Axel agreed to lead a $30 million investment in the Series A funding round. Since then, the app has had over 20 million installs globally, downloaded almost 7 million times in April 2022 alone, truly tapping into the social power of Gen Z. In May 2022, the company raised their Series B funding led by DST Global, valuing the business at $600 million. BeReal aims to humanize social media, showing people a more realistic version of their friends' lives. Their tagline is, "It's now possible on BeReal. No filters, no likes, no followers, no bullshit, no ads. Just your friends, for real." Their goal is to move away from the perfect photo that gives people FOMO and affects mental health. With BeReal, you can see that most people live similarly mundane lives most of the time, working, studying, and chilling just like everyone else. As they say at the app, BeReal is life, real life. And this life is without filters. Snapchat and Instagram had better watch out. And that's how it happened.